The noodles I'm going to be using for this recipe are fresh Taiwanese noodles. I got these at a local Asian market here in San Francisco, but you can also use egg noodles, Shanghai noodles, or even spaghetti. As you can see, I'm boiling some water. This is 8 cups of water, and we're going to bring this to a boil, and then we're going to cook the noodles. The noodles, the particular ones that I have, cook really fast, so it's going to probably take about 2 to 3 minutes, and they're cooked. As you can see, the water is already boiling, so I'm going to put my noodles. I'm already heating up my olive oil over medium heat, and then next we're going to add our butter. We're going to melt the butter, and then we're going to add our garlic. Once the butter is all melted, we're going to add our garlic. At this point, we're going to turn our heat to low to avoid burning the garlic. Once the garlic is fragrant, we're going to add our garlic powder, our bouillon powder, and our oyster sauce. Once it's mixed well, we're going to add in our noodles. Next, we're going to add our Parmesan cheese. And we're going to keep on tossing until the cheese is well blended. Once everything is incorporated well, we're going to turn off the heat and we're ready to serve. Here we have it, our garlic noodles, inspired by San Francisco's own crustacean restaurant. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe, and don't forget to subscribe and leave comments. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.